In this video, I'll tell you about the circle command of AutoCAD. So you'll find the circle tool here on the draw panel of Home tab, and when you click on this small arrow, you'll see the circle fly out with 6 different methods of making the circle. So the most basic method of making a circle is the center radius. Now in order to select the command, you can click on this center radius option, or you can also use its command equivalent circle or C. Now after starting the command, click at the point from where you want to start the circle, and in this case we want to start the circle from this midpoint of this rectangular geometry. So I'll click at this point and this will be the center of our circle. Now look at the command line and it prompts you to specify the radius of this circle. So let's enter the radius of this circle as 1 unit and press enter. So now here we have it, the circle with radius of 1 unit or a diameter of 2 units at the center of this line. Now let's look at the other method of making the circle. So go to this circle flyout and select the center diameter, and in this case we need to specify the center first, and obviously when you look at the command line you'll notice that here we have the option. This option has been overridden and we have this option now which says that we need to specify the diameter of the circle. So let's type 3 as the diameter and press enter, and now here we have it, the circle with a diameter of 3 units or a radius of 1.5 units. You can also start the diameter option from this center radius command. So click on this center radius. Now click at this point or any other point to start the circle, and now you can click on this diameter option on the command line to start the diameter, and now simply enter the diameter value. Let's say that we want to enter 4 as the diameter value and press enter, and here we have it, the circle with a diameter of 4 units or a radius of 2 units. So let's now erase all of these circles and now look at the remaining options here. So the next option is a 2-point circle. So what if we want to make a circle that connects 2 points, for example the end point of this line? So here we can click on this point and then click on this point, and here we have the circle, and this line will act as a diameter for the circle. Now let's click on this flyout again and select the 3 point. Now in this case we need to specify 3 different points. So I'll select here the first point. Now select the second point here, and now I'll select this point, and this is the midpoint of this line. So I'll click on this point, and here we have it, the circle on 3 different points. So this circle will essentially pass through these 3 points, and the radius of this circle will be decided based on the geometry here or based on the points on which we click. Now let's look at the remaining options here. So now we have one more option here, which is tangent radius. So I'll select this tangent radius, and now let's select any of the geometry for the first tangent point. So click on this circle. Now click on this line. So now the circle will be tangent on this circle and on this line, and now we need to enter the radius. So you need to enter a radius which will be appropriate for this geometry. So I'll enter 2 here and press enter, and now when you look here you'll notice that this circle is tangent on this circle, and this circle is also tangent on this line, and the radius of this circle is 2 units. Now what if we want to make a geometry in such a way that it's tangent on 3 different geometries? For that I'll first erase these 2 geometries, and now we'll make a single circle which is tangent on this line and on these 2 circles. So for that I'll select the last option, which is tritangent or tangent. Now click on the first circle, the line and the circle, and here we have it, this circle is tangent on both of these circles and also on this line. So these are the different ways of making a circle in AutoCAD.